Hey guys, for today's video, I will show you the best crypto to buy now in the market. So I want to make it clear that I am not a financial advisor and what I'm going to share is for educational purposes only. So let's talk about Chain. It's one of the top items on my list, and while they're not ranked in any particular order, Chain is an AI-based layer 1 solution that provides Oracle services and facilitates data exchange in the emerging Web3 ecosystem. Essentially, it's a world-first secure and intelligent platform for scalable decentralized applications and AI. Chain offers a network explorer that allows users to store and stake their ORI tokens, as well as utilize cross-chain bridge functionality on both the mainnet and subnetworks. This technology is truly impressive and provides a strong foundation for the development of the next generation smart contracts and decentralized applications. Some of the developers working on these projects come from notable organizations like Cosmos, and their contribution have helped to elevate and expand the Cosmos network. Moving on to number 2, we have Sharply. This particular project is currently generating a lot of buzz and attention. Let's skip ahead and take a closer look at Sharply. This is a deflationary utility token that plays a key role in the Chaperon ecosystem, allowing brands to make payments in either fiat or cryptocurrency. The project has a 20% gross margin and offers passive rewards to stakers, who also gain a voting power. They aim to support small influencers who may previously felt isolated and unsupported. Sharply's vision involves providing support and resources for small influencers who have a lot to offer but may struggle to make an impact. Due to lack of opportunities and technological resources, many existing platforms fail to adequately assist these individuals, and Sharply aims to change that by breaking down barriers and paving the way for success. And 20% of the total fee is used for token buyback. Guys, there's a lot of different reasons why I love this project. And last but not the least is Dynex Coin. Next up on the list is a truly remarkable project known as the world's first decentralized numerophobic supercomputing platform. This represents a major leap forward in computing, as it utilizes a highly flexible blockchain protocol to facilitate a widely range of computational tasks. With a block height of 161 and a hash rate of 231 by 8, this platform offers users a wealth of valuable insights and resources. Whether you're interested in buying, selling, or simply being part of this exciting ecosystem, I highly recommend checking this out. And those who are interested in learning more about this topic are encouraged to watch the video and get involved. While the website for this project may contain a lot of information and details, don't let anyone overwhelm or confuse you. The most important thing to know is this is the amazing project that is built on the AI blockchain and poised for an explosive growth. So there you have it. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to subscribe.